Hello everybody! We're going to show you how to make a file folder. Now it's virtually the same thing on an Android as an iPhone. There's just a little bit of a difference and I'm going to show you. So here we go. No further ado, the first thing you do is you go ahead and hold down firmly, see on any app, see how it's wiggling? Now I'm moving it into the Starbucks, okay? And then you'll see I'm going to go ahead and move Uber Eats into there as well. So
and I can watch right up on the screen.
Now you got Uber Eats, Starbucks, and DoorDash. And I'm going to label it food. And then you hit the home button, everything stops to wiggle. Ta-da! There you go. We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of new great videos.